Africa. KTN News.
A section of UDA party delegates in Nairobi stormed the party's headquarters along Ngong Road protesting the postponement of the party county elections. Nairobi Governor Johnson Sakaja and Embakasi North MP James Gakuya was set to face off for the Nairobi County chairmanship post before the UDA National Elections Board postponed the polls, citing unavoidable circumstances. David Muthoka with a report.
The ground was set for the supreme battle in the leadership of the UDA party in Nairobi. Governor Johnson Sakaja bracing himself for a challenge against Embakasi North MP James Gakuya. That was until Friday evening when the UDA National Elections Board pronounced itself on the matter, postponing for another time the elections which were set for today. The board cited unavoidable circumstances as the reason for the postponement, a development that rubbed some UDA delegates in Nairobi the wrong way, storming the party headquarters along Ngong Road in protests. Allegations of malice and concerns over the impact on party operations in Nairobi have been voiced. In response to the unrest, President William Ruto has tasked Deputy President Rigathi Gachagua with mediating between the conflicting factions within the party. Now, more than 300 delegates allied to Governor Sakaja want the umpires surrounding the polls resolved and the elections rescheduled.
Natoka Roysambu na mimi ni chairperson wa Roysambu ambaye alichaguliwa na delegates wa Roysambu. Tumeambiwa ati election ni kesho. Sasa hii tunakaa chini hivi tunaanza kuona ati election imesimamishwa. Tunataka kuambia Mwaura kitu moja. Chairman wa UDA, sisi wa mama wa Nairobi tumechoka na umetuchosha.
According to Anthony Mwaura, the chairperson of the National Elections Board, details on the rescheduled election will be provided soon. At the same time, UDA party delegates in Embakasi East have opposed a plan to repeat the party's grassroots polls in the constituency. The delegates, led by Embakasi East Chairman Benson Amutavi, say constituency polls are done and dusted and that they are only waiting the Nairobi County chairmanship.
Tulichaguana, tukachaguana kwa haki. Sasa tumeanza kusonga, tumeanza kuendesha gurudumu, tunataka kutengeneza hii chama ya William Samuel Ruto. Tumekaribishwa ndani, tuliomba na tumekaribishwa. Sasa tunaomba kitu moja, wachana na delegates waliochaguliwa. Mimi kama chairman elect, nikiwa na wenzangu duly elect, tunaomba ofisi ya electoral board, please, tunaambiwa timu nahongwa, hii election yetu irudiwe ya Embakasi East. Hiyo tumekataa.
Tulirudia kuanzia kituo cha polling center, tukaletwa tena kwa ward level, tukapelekwa headquarter, tukachaguana, tukarudi tena tukakuja wakati tulienda kwa constituency level. Tukaambiwa tena turudie kiti ya treasurer ambayo ni yangu, tukarudia pale pale headquarter. Tunataka kuuliza, chama imeweka siku zile ambazo kukiwa na dispute watu wanapeleka complaint. Lakini imekuwa mtu mmoja anaitwa Moreithi, by the name anaitwa Moreithi. Na Moreithi amesimama viti zote hapa Embakasi akiangukaga.
Still to come, we bring you the story of 26-year-old